Hi friends, yes, I'm back with my day's pep talk, Shailesh Fulsunge's pep talk for the day. The topic for today I have picked up is never give up. The reason why I have picked up the topic, looking at today's scenario, the COVID scenario, what is happening is people are getting into negative mode. A lot of friends, colleagues, relatives, overall the news which has been circulated all around, it is not that happening. People are losing their jobs, people are going out of jobs, businesses are suffering. Day by day, month on month, the expenses are piling. So I thought of putting this video and trying to give little boosters to friends, relatives, colleagues, and at people at large. Now, the topic never give up. I would like to say, people say now the failure has come. मेरा failure हो गया. I would like to mention one thing. Failure, whatever I have understood, is basically what you are doing day on day, week on week, month on month, year on year. You are doing something out of which you are achieving something and you are not achieving something. Whatever you are doing, unless and until you are not doing things, you will never fail nor you will succeed. So failure will only come when you stop doing things. So my first request is never stop doing things. If you want to become successful, you will have to keep on failing, keep on failing, keep on failing, keep on failing. Unless and until you fill the failure basket, you will not be able to achieve success. That is rule number one. Now what happens is, people say that failure has taken over me, the time is not right, I am suffering. It is basically a boon in disguise. You are only learning. Try to pick up things out of whatever you are not able to do, or you feel that you have not achieved out of whatever you have done, but you have got learning. There is nothing like failure unless you tell yourself that I have failed and you stop doing things. So there is no failure, it's only learning. Now, each one of us is a unique personality. God has made all of us unique. So ensure that you don't take things negatively. If somebody else is able to achieve it and you are not able to achieve it, it is not necessary that that person has achieved, and since you have not achieved, you are a failure. Not like that. It is never like that. There are certain activities at which you must be excellent. There are certain activities someone else would be excellent. So never compare yourselves with each other. All of us deserve happiness. Happiness is very important for us, and success will never come when you stop doing things. Never accept failure. So success will only come when you stop doing things. Try and motivate people people in your surroundings. Keep yourself motivated. Try doing things which you love. Daily try to do activities which you really enjoy. So automatically you will start feeling good about things. And most important is, don't get into your past. What happens is, we get into our past. If the past is good, we are happy. If the past is not that good, we start cribbing, we become sad, and we start blaming ourselves. That is the punishment which we should not do. Very important is how one becomes successful. The space between giving up and becoming success or becoming successful, we need to discover. I will repeat, the space between giving up and success is what we need to discover ourselves. So friends, never give up. Try to focus on your goals. Keep going, keep going, keep going. That is only the formula to achieve things in life, and you will only learn, you will never fail. Namaskar. Thank you.